The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
we're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and Tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department. Changing the game!
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive, from our dynamic programs in finance and business to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts. We cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
we're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Marahay na banggi mga Oragon, we are here in the Naga College Foundation covered court to witness this battle between the Naga College Foundation Tigers versus the WB Sofia basketball team. Together with me is Rick Puerta and my name is Nino Mendoza. We are going to be your commentators for this game.
Yes, talagang kaabang-abang itong magiging exhibition game between these two teams. Our first ever champion of OBL against the strong WB Sofia team. So I'm so excited and I know all of you guys are excited because we've been waiting for this moment. So in a few minutes magsisimula na ang bakbakan. We are live here sa loob ng NCF covered court and of course sa mga team bahay, live na live po tayo sa ating live coverage ng Oragon Basketball League Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. So tune in and subscribe sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe.
And sunod-sunod yung mga naging bakbakan dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Our first game, the USI versus the... ano yung kalaban ng USI kanina, Rick?
It's NCF versus
NCF
USI.
versus USI and talagang gitgitan yung naging laban nila. While on the second game, it was Ateneo versus the UNC Greyhounds. Back-to-back heated match from there and nagpapakita talaga sila ng magandang performance from the first quarter hanggang sa matapos yung kanilang laro. Bakbakan pa rin.
Yes, so this is the opening day of our Oragon Basketball League WB Sofia Goldtrans B.T.S Cup. So nakakuha na nga ng isang panalo as you've mentioned earlier, yung NCF and the UNC Greyhound. So this time, it's an exhibition game, a fun match between these two great teams. So sino ang mananalo between these two teams? WB. Will win between the WB Sofia team versus the NCF Tigers, the two powerhouse team dito sa Bicol region. So kaabang-abang ang mangyayari knowing na meron ditong mga sikat na players on the side of WB Sofia na na-encounter na natin a while ago. And to hear an update, I think handang-handa na mag-report ang ating mga courtside reporters on the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's call our courtside reporter Dylan. Kumusta? Anong update dyan?
Hello Bicolonja, hello Oragon. So welcome to Oragon Basketball League WB Sofia Cup, the battle of powerhouses. I am Dylan Natalagtag, your courtside correspondent, bringing you the game from the heart of the action. The defending champions, the NCF Tigers, a team built on the heart, discipline, and the winning mentality of true champions. The Tigers have already proven they can reach the top. And tonight, they step back on the hard court with the heart of champions. Ngayon, makakasama natin ang nagbabalik, si jersey number 33, Gabito. So, welcome back, Gabito. So, ano yung nararamdaman mo as of the moment since kakabalik mo lang sa Oragon Basketball League and also as team NCF Tigers?
May halong excitement and kaba kasi yung mga kalaban namin ay hindi basta-basta. Yung iba dyan may mga pro na and then may madami na sinalihan liga. Pero usong tigre nga tayo no? Kaya lalaban kami hanggang dulo. Yun lamang po.
Thank you and enjoy the moment, Mr. Gabito. And now we also have the jersey number 34, Timothy. So Timothy, this is your first time sa Oragon Basketball League. So how are you feeling right now? Especially, first time mo din makakalaban ng WB Sofia.
I feel good, I feel excited, I feel at home. NCF is like a family to me, so I feel excited to play the game. We're ready to go. Let's go NCF.
So also we would like to know, what are your mindset heading into this matchup?
Yeah, my mindset for this game is to do the possible best I can do for my team in every way, in defense, offense. We're ready and let's go because my mindset is 100% ready and ready to go. Let's go NCF Tigers.
Thank you and good luck for today's matchup. The crowd is ready, the court is set, and tonight we will witness a showdown everyone has been waiting for. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And tamang-tama nga dun yung sinabi ng yung mga players, the heart and the power is ready for the Tigers. Talagang growling dito ang NCF Tigers, lalo't na mga pro players na yung iba dito sa WB Sofia. And tulad nga sinabi ni Timothy kanina, kailangan lang magpakita ng love, lalo't na't nandito sila sa kanilang home court, the Naga College Foundation covered courts.
Yes. Let's see kung ano ang magiging contribution nitong si Timothy since this is his first appearance dito sa ating OBL League. And according to him, he's 100% ready. His mindset is talagang focus sa goal para dito sa match na to. So, let's see kung magagawa ba dito yung game plan on their side. So, on the snapshot, we have the NCF Tigers and to hear an update on the other side of things sa ating WB Sofia team. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kate. Kamusta, Kate? Sinong kasama mo at anong pinagandaan dito ng inyong kupunan?
Thank you, Rick and Nino. Marhay na banggi, Bicolania, and welcome to the Oragon Basketball League Season 2. I am Kate Catherine De La Torre, reporting from the sideline of the WB Sofia. At ako ang makakasama nyo at live na makakatsikahan here to our new season. Sa lamig nga ng panahon, mas ramdam pa rin ang init sa loob ng hardcourt with our exhibition game between the NCF Tigers and the WB Sofia. But before anything else, makakasama natin ngayon ang kanilang mga star players para magbigay sa atin ng insight for our game later. So we have here jersey number 8, Concepcion. So hello, good evening. So coming into this matchup exhibition, ano po ba yung nafe-feel nyo tonight knowing na makakalaban nyo ang NCF Tigers?
Siyempre, first of all, nagpapasalamat kami sa opportunities na nakapaglaro kami dito and makalaban namin yung Tigers Naga. Ayun, gusto lang namin ma-experience yung mga dapat namin matrabaho dito sa team namin.
Alright. So ano po ba dapat yung maging mindset nyo ng team during the game?
Kahit exhibition game lang, gusto namin na competitive kami kahit kanino at nirespeto namin yung bats namin.
Alright, so at this point, lastly, any message to our supporters and viewers na live na nanonood sa inyo right now?
Siyempre, nagpapasalamat kami sa mga boss namin, kay Boss Roel Weber, kay Boss Tyron, at kay Madam Marian. Salamat sa mga suporta nyo sa amin at sa mga naniniwala sa amin. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Alright, once again, jersey number 8, Concepcion. And right now, tawagin naman natin the jersey number 00, Aguara. So, good evening po, jersey number 00. So, here in our game, how are you feeling right now na makakalaban natin ng NCF Tigers? Alright, so how are you feeling right now that you are going to compete with the NCF Tigers?
I'm feeling good. You know, sometimes once in a lifetime you have to go through some challenges. I think it's one of the challenges I was looking up to.
So with this game, how important the discipline that should be team and put throughout the game for this exhibition game?
Sometimes exhibition games are not really exhibition games, you know, because sometimes it's intense. Everybody want to win. That's why it's an exhibition game. Well, we do our best. We give show what we love. Sportsmanship is very important to us, you know what I mean? So, yeah, that's it.
Alright, lastly, and a message to our viewers and supporters that are watching right now live at Oragon Basketball League.
I want to say everyone out there, like, support, share, subscribe, show some love. Show NCF some love wherever you are. Come out. Anyway, just keep supporting. Marami salamat po, puso.
Alright, thank you so much, jersey 00. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you so much. And that's why this exhibition will bring you all the action. Kaya tutok lang because we are live here at Oragon Basketball League. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Kate, for that interview. So, napakinggan nga natin dito ang side ng W Sofia na even this is an exhibition match against the NCF, they will put their 100% effort and of course their game plan dito sa larong ito. Kasi even exhibition, dito nakikita yung mga lapses on your team. That's why this is great avenue for them, for the both teams to know their strength and weaknesses. And this is contest for their future matches. So I'm so excited between these two teams. And on your screen is the first 5 for both teams. So let's see kung kanino mapupunta ang ating first ball possession.
And sabi nga dito ni Aguara, show some love for the game. And kaya despite this being an exhibition match, alam natin na magpapakita ito ng bakbakan na laban. And now Timothy and Aguara to inbound to play for the jump ball. Now our first quarter is about to start. First ball possession ng NCF Tigers. And now, first basket from the Tigers, jersey number 33. Pero puntos ito ng WB Sofia. Maling court yung naskoran. Talagang exhibition match yung nagaganap dito. Within the game, WB Sofia versus NCF Tigers. And what a start here. Ayo for the three-pointer is good. Binawian kaagad ni Coach Ayo. 3-2 our score in favor of the NCF Tigers. Now Del Rosario has it. Moving the ball around for the WB Sofia. Aguara. Great ball rotation from the WB Sofia. Fake jumper. Now another fast break opportunity. Three-pointer is good again for the NCF Tigers. It's a two-pointer. And of course, with this powerhouse teams, this is the battle of the powerhouse. Talagang matindi ang ipapakita ng ating mga players dito. These two teams really at it. Despite being an exhibition match, talaga nagpapakita sila ng 100% performance. Look at that pick and roll. Beautiful fake for the jumper. May kasama pang foul.
Nasa mga gusto pong bumisita na makapanood ng live, mayroon pong free admission dito sa loob ng NCF covered court para masaksihan itong exhibition game between the NCF Tigers and the WB Sofia. Now Aguar, successful in that first shot. One more time for Aguara. 5-3 is our score. NCF with the offense.
Fast break opportunity for the WB Sofia. Pull-up jumper is good. Now we are at a tie game, 5-all. Our score is deadlock. Tigers moving the ball around. Look at that rotation. Palillo. Ooh, behind the back pass to Ayo. The ball movement is good. And called by a referee is naapakan yung outside. Ball possession ng WB Sofia. Fast play for them. Jumper. No good. Rebounded by Timothy. Now Palillo has the ball. Look at that, no look. Grab to the basket for the floater. Too much power on that one.
Del Rosario, derecho, and
nagtambay.
Yes,
yung bola sa ring. And now NCF Tigers, Timothy, traveling violation.
Deadlock at 5, Del Rosario with the ball on the side of the WB Sofia. Foul scored on the side of NCF Tigers. Napoles with a free throw shot. Unsuccessful. 7 minutes and 2 seconds for this first quarter. One more time. And this time, a basket for him. NCF Tiger has the chance to have a point here. Just a single point. Ayo again fires for 3. Offensive rebound coming from Timothy. And a great steal para dito kay Napoles. WB Sofia on the offense, heavily guarded here. Loses that, and a turnover on their side. NCF basketball.
Palillo bringing the ball down for the NCF. He's an opportunity. No good on the floater. WB Sofia fast break. Open look is good, extending their lead to 3 points.
Palillo to Ayo. Gabito. Yung nagbabalik na na-interview dito kanina ni Dylan. Unsuccessful on the attempt. Ayo with that steal. Loses that. Timothy loses that ball.
Gigil na gigil dito si Timothy. Yung makapag-slam dunk sana. Beautiful play from the WB Sofia, using their passes.
Margallo to Ayo. Another attempt on that three-pointer. Unsuccessful.
Ooh, beautiful transition there. Despite the defense of Coach Ayo. Open three-pointer on that wing is good.
So this time it was successful para dito kay Ayo. 12-8 is our score. WB Sofia again.
Sinisimplan lang ng WB Sofia using jumpers. And yung mga fast passes nila. Secure those buckets.
Change of 5 on the side of NCF. It's their ball possession. Vinculado with the ball. Jumper, no good. Defensive rebound. Baldasario may hawak. No good. Gimo with that rebound. Passing it to Pujeda. Basket count with a foul. No good on that throw.
WB Sofia leading game by 4 points. Now looking to extend their lead. Three-pointer is good. Now a 7-point lead. Beautiful pass for that layup is no good. Foul called in jersey number 00. First shot is good. Renzana. 2 out of 2 on the free throw line. Peralta will go in. Nakpil. WB Sofia moving the ball around. Two-pointer, no good. Gimo lays it in. Arenzana for the rebound. Second chance is good. Our score is 14-17 in favor of WB Sofia. Napalakas yung pasa pero na-recover pa rin. Dribble between the legs. 3-pointer no good. Second chance for Peralta is good. 16-17. 16-19.
Okay, para dito kay Arenzana. Nakpilta Peralta.
Beautiful block.
Gino.
Kailangan ditong i-box out ng WB Sofia si Gino. Lalo't na dire-diretso. Yung nagiging defensive stops dito ng NCF kapag nandyan si Gino. And another 3-pointer for the NCF Tigers.
21-17. Long two, no good. Offensive rebound, Nakpil again. Every ball possession meron ditong puntos. Itong WB Sofia. Vinculado. No good on that attempt. Angeles.
Beautiful passing.
Yes.
Pero napasobra yung pasa dito ng WB Sofia. Papitik-pitik lang, no? And lays it in. Arenzana with a finger roll.
A minute and 13 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Del Rosario. Gate still coming from the Tigers.
Arenzana. Arenzana, palong-palong ngayon for this game between WB Sofia. And with our first quarter, 59 seconds remaining. Substitution. Taugan will go in.
Successful 3 points coming from Arenzana. Ball stays on the side of WB Sofia.
The Peralta. WB Sofia moving the ball around. 3-pointer, no good. Bola ngayon ng WB Sofia. 23-22 our score in favor of WB Sofia.
Just a single point. Kailangan ditong habulin ng Tigers, but
no look pass for the Leia Peralta, smooth hands.
Last 10 seconds of our first quarter, 25-22. 3-point lead on the side of the WB Sofia. Ojeda. That's that one in.
Isolation play from Ojeda to end the first quarter. Our official score 25-24 in favor of WB Sofia. We'll be back after a short break only here on Oragon Basketball League, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second quarter, and a great three-pointer coming from the WB Sofia on that start of our second quarter. So napakagandang bungad para dito sa kanilang kupunan. 28-24. Guades guarded here and loses that ball, and a shot clock violation.
Great defense from WB Sofia. Naubos yung oras dito ng NCF Tigers. And ito na naman kaya ang gagawin dito ng WB Sofia despite having a little number of players. Malalaman natin yan with our courtside reporter on the sidelines. We have Kate at balita dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Nino. Wow, they rocked the first play and they're still rocking the game right now. WB Sofia is showing no fear, attacking basket and drawing lines sa ating NCF Tigers. And their defense ay mas pinapalakas talaga nila, limiting the NCF opportunities para pumuntos. It's a formula for success so far. And the team need to stay disciplined to keep this momentum going. Yan muna ang update for now. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Kate, for that update. So yun nga, disiplina. You've mentioned it earlier on that interview with Aguara. So it's very important in a basketball game in disiplina. And kitang-kita ito on the side of their team. Talagang kahit exhibition game lang, they're giving their 100%, but Balane stealing that ball on their side.
Uy, grabe dito si Nuada. Pineke pa yung pasa pero dinerecho for the layup. And now to hear for some updates from the side of the NCF Tigers, we have a courtside reporter, Dylan, ng balita dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Nino. Sa pagpasok ng first quarter, ramdam ang excitement at adrenaline ng players sa loob ng hard court. Kalmado ang flow ng bawat galaw at ang laro dito sa court. Pero mararamdaman pa rin ang eagerness ng both teams, lalong-lalo na ang NCF Tigers with their great team communication. The matchup tonight is not that intense but full of enjoyment, grit, and sportsmanship. Watch the matchup as the exhibition game continues. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And talagang mainit yung laban natin between these two teams. Dapat na magiging exhibition match lang. Ngayon nakikita natin they are creating their strategies, and the NCF Tigers rotating their players for every quarter. Nagpapakita na kailangan talagang mag-all out yung mga players natin dito. And WB Sofia, what will be their adjustments? But alam naman natin na yung ibang player dito from the side of the WB Sofia, mga pro players na, and they are seasoned veterans. Kaya mahihirapan din dito ang ating NCF Tigers. WB Sofia maintaining their lead throughout the game, first hanggang second quarter.
Back to the ball game. No good. Taugan with offensive rebound. Ball stays on the side of the WB Sofia. The Austin with the ball.
Yes. Low post Nuada. With that height disadvantage na Nuada nakawala. Balane. Balane here. The Tigers moving the ball around. Back to Nuada. Three-pointer. No good from Nuada. Now the WB Sofia, this fast break opportunity. The pass was tipped off, secured by jersey number 26 for that easy basket. Flores.
Flores with the ball. NCF aiming for a point here. Guarded by the Austin. An attempt for three on that corner, and it's good. Coming from Palahe. WB Sofia on the offense. Flores again. But a whistle coming from our referee here.
First shot is good for the WB Sofia. Here's number 26, Flores. Two out of two on the free throw line. Now Guades bringing the ball down for the Tigers. To Timothy. NCF moving the ball around. Trying to shake off the defender. With 4 seconds to shoot, Timothy for the fadeaway jumper is good.
Great shot coming from Timothy to lessen the gap here. Taugan loses that one, and Balane to Timothy. But unfortunately, again, ito na naman yung gigil para dito kay Timothy.
Gustong gusto ni Timothy na makapaggawa ng slam dunk para makapagbigay ng momentum sa kanyang team. Now Timothy on the line to convert this into a 2-point opportunity. First shot is no good. One out of two on the free throw line. Our score is now 30-32 in favor of WB Sofia. The Austin, heavily guarded by Guades here, using his body. Now Peralta to the Austin. Fakes for a three-pointer, tries it. No good on that one. Guades looking for a fast break opportunity. Guades takes a three-pointer, no good. Peralta for the rebound. Looking for a teammate, sees the Austin. Pinasa behind the back. Extra pass, gandang pasa for the three-pointer, no good. Peralta, easy basket, 2 points. Ang gandang chemistry dito ng WB Sofia. Kahit hindi sila nagkakatinginan, alam nila kung nasa kanilang team. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. The Tigers, Guades, looking for an open teammate, sees Timothy. Now Balane, drive to the basket, fake jumper, blocked. Peralta, Flores has the ball. Open three-pointer, no good. Palahi takes the rebound. Guades, fast break opportunity. Trying to shake off the defender. Fell short on that one. Ngayon, bola ng WB Sofia, substitution. Full substitution from the NCF Tigers.
Awesome with the ball. 4-point lead on their side. Chance for them to add their lead here. Flores. Okay, Sarada Concepcion goes inside. No good on the attempt. And a whistle coming from our referee. Foul was called on the side of W Sofia. So ball possession in NCF. Realo taking their time here, looking for his teammate with 12 seconds to shoot.
Gimo for the three-pointer. No good on that one. Peralta takes the rebound. With 4 minutes remaining. Extra pass to Flores. Ooh, blocked by Gimo Mumuni. Now the NCF Tigers for a fast break opportunity. Realo, extra pass, spin move for the floater, no good. NCF still has the ball. Gimo to Realo. Pick and roll, Gimo for the floater, no good. WB Sofia, fast break opportunity, Concepcion. Decides to take the three-pointer. Medyo kinapos lang dito. Realo trying to create a play for the Tigers. Drives to the middle. Extra pass for the three-pointer. No good. Gimo, second chance is good. May kasama pang foul. And our score is 32-34 in favor still of WB Sofia. Pero may chance dito ma-convert itong play into a three-point.
Timeout was called on the side of WB Sofia. So back to the ball game. 34-32 is our score. WB Sofia is leading by just a couple of points here. So Gimo has the chance to lessen the gap or even tie this match. Three minutes and 10 seconds remaining for our first half. Unsuccessful on the attempt. WB Sofia with the ball. Angeles. Pass for three. Offensive rebound coming from the team WB Sofia. Veluan and on for that rebound on the side of the NCF Tigers. Regalo. Heavily guarded here. Pelias for three. No good.
WB Sofia has the ball. Fast break opportunity, one to step. Kick out pass for the corner. Three-pointer, no good. WB Sofia still has the lead. Realo bringing the ball down for the Tigers. Pass was intercepted. Fast break opportunity, Concepcion takes the floater. Still nothing is connecting for WB Sofia. No Realo. Pass the screen from Gimo. Three-pointer is good for the NCF Tigers. Their first lead in this game. Oh, Concepcion for the jumper. No good. Long pass. Easy open layup. Jelly. Minute and 15 seconds remaining. Our score is 37-34 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Foul was called on that transition. Substitution from the WB Sofia.
Napolis. No good. NCF basketball. Realo. Passing it to Veluan. An attempt for three. No good and a great steal. A great rebound on the side of Sofia. Ten seconds to shoot. Angeles, his teammate, for three, no good. Last 28 seconds of the first half, and wow, 3 points was good.
17 seconds remaining. We are deadlocked 37 all. WB Sofia and NCF Tigers has the ball. Jimo, outside pass for the three-pointer, no good. And a buzzer beater to end the second quarter of our match and our first half, 39-37 in favor of the NCF Tigers. What a game that we have here. WB Sofia leading the game for the first and second quarter, but ending NCF takes the lead with a 2-point lead. We'll be back after a short break only here on Oragon Sports TV and the Oragon Basketball League, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners
Hello everyone! Okay pa ba kayo?
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
Hey everyone, welcome.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court sa pagpapatuloy ng ating exhibition game WB Sofia versus the NCF Tigers. Nasa second half na po tayo ng ating laro, 39-37 in favor on the side of the NCF Tigers. Del Rosario for 2. So it's 3-point. Successful 3 to open this third quarter. Margallo to Pojeda with 10 to shoot. Nabuba Sofia with the ball. Paulus to his teammate. Jumper unsuccessful. Rebound para sa NCF Tigers. Pojeda, nagmamadali na still. Coming from the Aswen. Pero hindi pumasok yung layup na yun. So back to NCF basketball.
Margallo has the ball for the Tigers. Now moving the ball around. Pojeda. Jimo. Low post move. Full threat position. Now Pojeda. Extra pass to Jimo for the jumper. No good. Aguara, fast break opportunity. Nabitawan yung bola. Now NCF has the ball. Margallo bringing the ball down. Pojeda takes it. Tigers moving the ball around. Taking their time for this ball possession with 10 seconds. We're here for some updates from the side of the NCF Tigers. Let's hear it from our courtside reporter, Dylan. Ano balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Nino. As the matchup continues, The team's focus are undeniably strong. The NCF Tigers are moving with speed, striking with power, and showing why they are the king of the hard court. Every drive, every pass, every shot is played with the Tiger spirit. The team continues to hunt relentlessly and tries to dominate and control the game. This is the NCF Tiger pride in full force. Ang performance na pinapakita ng NCF Tigers ay patunay ng kanilang effort at patuloy na improvement sa loob ng hard court. Nasa NCF side ang kalamangan ngayon, and we'll see if they will continue their momentum. Yan muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Ayan, thank you so much for that update, Dylan, on the side of the NCF Tigers. So kung kanina nga nasa NCF yung lead, this time sa pagsimula ng ating third quarter, WB Sofia, ibinalik sa kanila ang kalamangan. 42-39 is our score. And now Pohed has the chance to lessen the gap here with his free throw shot. And pumunta naman tayo sa side ng W Sofia to hear an update. Let's call our courtside reporter, Kate. Kumusta? Anong update?
Thank you, Rick and Nino. And WB Sofia is really solid sa kanilang defense, and they're always weathering the runs of the NCF Tigers. During timeout nga, sabi ni Coach, hindi nila kailangan lahat makapuntos. But what they need is an ECS basketball. Their depth bench is providing handa silang makipagpuksaan, pero huwag din magpakampante at hayaan na lang ang bola. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that update from the side of the WB Sofia. Yung tamang-tama nga sila doon. They are using those easy opportunities. Hindi sila nagpapakahirap para lang makapag-create ng puntos. Ginagawa nila, they're maximizing their players using every opportunity that they have, contributing the ball well, and nakakapag-create sila ng mga open shots, open opportunities para makagawa ng easy baskets. At yun yung dahilan kung bakit lumamang yung WB Sofia during the first and second quarter. But NCF Tigers, they are using their speed and agility. Tulad yung sinabi ni Dylan, gigil na gigil sila when it comes to scoring, and they might learn something from these pro players from WB Sofia. Now, shot clock violation. Bola ngayon ng WB Sofia. Ooh, beautiful play. Extra pass for that easy basket. Yun nga, easy basket ang WB Sofia. Hindi sila masyadong nag-aaksaya ng energy and effort. Nakikita nila kung anong best opportunity for every possession that they make. Traveling violation will be called. Substitution, Arenzana and Palillo will go in. Look at that play from WB Sofia. And Najimo to Ayo. Long three-pointer from Ayo, no good. Arenzana for the rebound, blocked by Flores. But back is good for the NCF Tigers. Low post against look at that spin move. No good on that jumper. WB Sofia tries for a three-pointer, is good, extending their lead to 4 points.
So another beautiful three coming from Del Rosario. Foul was called on the side of WB Sofia. Ayo to inbound. And Great steal coming from Flores. Del Rosario to his teammate, and 2 points was added on their side.
Ang ganda ng mga puntos dito ng WB Sofia. Using their passes talaga to convert an easy opportunity.
An easy point conversion on their side. Now NCF, what would be the answer on their side? And look at that. Back-to-back steal para dito kay Flores. Angeles. No good. Offensive rebound.
Sayang. Magdadunk na rin sana.
Yes.
Pero blocked by Gino and may kasama pang foul. Timothy will now go in. Free throw is good. Ayo has the ball. Pick and roll play. Margallo open three-pointer, no good. Arenzana trying to get a slam dunk putback. Now Flores. Extra pass, Del Rosario, three-pointer is good. Now WB Sofia, 55 is their score. Margallo using his body. Passes intercepted. And ball possession pa rin dito ng WB Sofia. 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining on our third quarter. And the game is still on fire. Flores. Extra pass, Del Rosario with a fake. Jumper over Arenzana is good. Del Rosario. Extra pass. Uy, tinignan pa si Timothy doon. Taunting Timothy. Abulin mo ako. Yun yung sinabi dun. Yes. Dito sinabi siya.
And a back-to-back point conversion on their side. And again, let's see kung makakakuha ng tres. No good. NCF need to get a point at this moment. And a foul was called to Concepcion. Two minutes and 49 seconds remaining. 59-43 is our score. This went to Peralta. Fouls go to Timothy. So Flores will be having a free throw shots here.
Wada was fouled on his way to the basket. Realo will go in.
Now WB Sofia overtaking the lead again. This time, medyo lumalaki na yung kailangang trabuhin on the side of the NCF. Palillo. 5 to shoot.
Look at that play from the NCF Tigers. Palillo to Renzana for the jumper.
Josué with the ball. A minute and 50 seconds remaining for this third quarter. No good for 3. And Arenzano with a rebound. Back to NCF basketball.
Nuada trying to have an isolation play. Passes it instead. Intercepted by WB Sofia. Look at that drive, and the basket is good. May kasama pang foul. With a minute and 20 seconds remaining, WB Sofia still has the momentum for this game.
Kung kanina lamang dito yung NCF Tigers, but at this moment, WB Sofia is on fire. And successful on that shot para dito kay Angeles. No good. And Nuada gets that ball in. No good para dito kay Peralta. Aranzana to Palillo. Guarded here. 15 on the shot clock and 43 seconds on the game clock. And this time Timothy successful on that shot. 64-49 is our score. Biaswen loses that. Great still coming from Rialo. No good on the attack coming from Flores. So back to NCF. Back to this.
Now 2 seconds remaining and the game is off. Our third quarter 64-47, still in favor of WB Sofia, dominating the game from the first quarter until the third. We'll be back after a short break only here on Oragon Basketball League and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the bogeying for our fourth quarter. The NCF Tigers versus WB Sofia. And right now, WB Sofia still leading the game. 64-49. WB Sofia having a 15-point lead. Now NCF to inbound Palillo. Look at the defense of WB Sofia here. Despite having an exhibition match, talaga nagpapakita sila dito ng magandang performance. And was fouled. First shot is no good for jersey number 7. And the second was good. Ball possession pa rin ng WB Sofia. Rosario has it. So pass at corner man. Step back. Peralta. Del Rosario trying to create a play. Touchdown violation. And the 9 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. WB Sofia still leading the game. And here for some updates from the side of WB Sofia, we have our courtside reporter, 𝐏𝐃𝐓, ng balita dyan.
Thank you, Rick and Nina, and what an exhibition game. WB Sofia is keeping now the pressure on with their full court press. They've successfully forced the NCF Tigers into some tough shots. It's a tight race now for the two teams, and it's all going to come down to who wants it more. But one thing I am sure is the WB Sofia came here with mission, and they executed a thrilling showdown and a spectacular effort from the whole team. Yan ang update. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you so much, Kate, for that update from the side of the WB Sofia. And tamang-tama ka nga dun, yung proper execution ng WB Sofia, avoiding any unnecessary mistakes and making sure na yung mga puntos na nako-convert nila is from those open opportunities and easy baskets para hindi sila masyadong mahirapan at hindi sila masyadong magkonsumo ng energy. And now to hear for some updates from the side of the NCF Tigers, we have our courtside reporter Dylan, and the floor is yours.
Thank you, Nino. Grabe ang determination ng Tigers para habulin ang puntos ng kabilang kupunan. We can feel the adrenaline as it grows higher as the battle continues. But the NCF Tigers are not willing to miss any opportunity. Every ball possession is well executed. The team's energy are also rising as they continue fighting for their victory. Reminder palagi ni Coach sa players na magkaroon ng presence of mind at good decision making inside the hard court, making every moment full of learning and growth. Once again, I am your courtside correspondent, Dylan at Talagtag. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Nino.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And tamang-tama ka nga doon. This exhibition game will be a lesson for the NCF Tigers or an experience for them. Lalo't na't makakatapat nila ay mga pro players and talagang mga seasoned veterans na. Looking at their play style using those simple moves. And nga yung sinasabing mga veteran moves dito. Passes for the jumpers. Hindi sila masyado nag-e-effort and nagkukonsumo ng energy. What they're doing is looking for the most efficient strategy for every possession. And yun yung maganda kapag seasoned veteran ka na. Marami ng experiences when it comes to offensive and defensive stops. Kaya grabe dito yung nagiging performance ng WB Sofia. And the learning experience for the NCF Tigers. Now look at that. 2 points from WB Sofia. And pansin ko lang rin na hindi dito nagpumapayag yung WB Sofia na pupunta sila sa isang possession na wala silang puntos. They are making sure that whenever na pumupunta sila sa kabilang court, nagko-convert sila ng mga easy baskets. Del Rosario, heavily guarded by Palillo, tipped off. Nuwada loses the ball. And the bola pa rin ngayon ng WB Sofia. Rosario to inbound.
And a foul was whistled on the side of the NCF. So, Napoles magkakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity on the side of the WB Sofia. Basket for him. (72-55) is our score. 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining for this match. Nuwada goes inside for that layup, and this time it's good.
Malahe, good on that jumper. Easy points for him. Timeout called by WB Sofia. And ano kaya yung maging adjustments nila in strategy for this fourth quarter of our game against the NCF Tigers?
And thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nakatutok pa dito sa loob ng ating venue kahit it's 8:39 in the evening. Meron pa rin sumusuporta dito sa ating exhibition game ng WB Sofia versus the NCF Tigers. Well, let's see after this timeout, what are the adjustment on the side of the NCF Tigers knowing na they're behind. Kung kanina nakuha nila yung kahalamangan, but this time medyo nahihirapan silang maidikit yung kanilang score against the WB Sofia because of the game na ginagawa dito nitong WB Sofia. They make sure that every ball possession counts on their side. 14 to shoot. Del Rosario to inbound, looking for his teammate, passing it to Napoles. 10 seconds on the shot clock. But a great steal coming from Nowada. Back-to-back points for him.
Look at the defense dito ng NCF Tigers. Talagang palo sila for this fourth quarter. 61 to 72. Now the Austin will go in. Ooh, beautiful acrobatic play from jersey number 7. Missing both hands. Got back the win. Palillo, step back three-pointer is good. Look at that highlight from Palillo.
Ano ang sagot dito ng Sofia?
By Jimo. Now E.G. Palillo has the ball. Looking to get another point. Nabitawan yung bola. Retrieves it to Nuwada. Nuwada with 10 seconds remaining.
Now, it's a basket. 76-64 is our score. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining for this match. Palillo with the ball. An attempt for 3, no good. And again, it's Nowada with those back-to-back points. Now Angeles with the ball. And again, WB Sofia with a score or with a point, courtesy Flores on the last sequence. NCF basketball. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Malahe for the three-pointer. Wala pa rin. 78 to 66 in favor of WB Sofia. Flores. Napoles. No good on that layup. Lavandero pass to Nuwada. Nuwada 1-2 step for that layup is good. Wala pang namimintas dito si Noada with his quarter game. Look at that steal. And naapakan dito ni Timothy yung mga linya. That three-pointer from that wing. Jersey number 17, the awesome. Beautiful basket. No Margallo. Balaje for the jumper, no good. WB Sofia, fast break opportunity. Hindi pag mabitawan yung bola. Three-pointer is good. For jersey number 00. Guara. Now Margallo has the ball on the left side. Decides to take the jumper. No good.
Angeles.
Sofia. The Austin again for that same spot.
Good still coming from the Aswen. Ball stays on the side of WB Sofia.
The Austin three-pointer, no good. Peralta takes the rebound. Back to the Austin. Now Angeles. Whistle blown by our referees. And 2 shots for Angeles.
Two minutes and 12 seconds remaining for this match. 84-68. Angeles with a free throw shot.
Tigers moving the ball around. Whistle blown by our referees. Same ball possession, bola pa rin. Ang NCF Tigers with 2 minutes remaining. Margallo hands it off to Timothy. 1-2 step for the jumper, no good. Timothy for the rebound. Margallo gets the ball, pero naapakan na yung linya outside.
A minute and 45 seconds remaining for this match, and still the WB Sofia is holding the lead here sa ating laro.
Pick and roll play, Peralta has it. The Austin grabs to the basket for that floater, no good. With a minute and 27 seconds remaining, Margallo, long pass. Spin move, guarded by Peralta, same ball possession pa rin ng NCF Tigers. Inbound Tigers moving the ball around. Binluan. Margallo. Guarded by two defenders dito. Now 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 was blocked. And may kasamang foul dito. So we get a chance for 2 points dito sa ating free throw line. 58 seconds remaining for our fourth quarter. 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓 first shot is good. Second chance opportunity for the free throw line, 𝐏𝐋𝐃𝐓. Second free throw is good as well. 2 out of 2 on the free throw line. Now Margallo with 54 seconds remaining. Rotating the ball around, 3-pointer on that wing is good.
Last 35 seconds remaining for this game. Peralta with the ball. Five to shoot. An attempt for 3, no good. And now last 18 seconds. And thank you so much for all the supporters who've watched live dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court, and of course sa mga live viewers po natin. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. So abangan natin ang mga next games dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League WB Sofia Goldtrans B.T.S Cup. Ayan. Final score 88-71. Congratulations to WB Sofia for winning this match against the NCF Tigers. Go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
that is it for our game between the WB Sofia and the NCF Tigers. And the WB Sofia dominating the game throughout from the first until the fourth quarter. Grabe yung naging bakbakan dito. WB Sofia manages to snatch this win from this exhibition game. And again, my name is Nino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And I am Rick Puerta. What an exhibition game, nabanggit mo nga kanina. The WB Sofia getting their win against the NCF Tigers. So again, nabanggit na nga namin kanina na aabangan natin ang next schedules for our next matches dito sa OBL WB Sofia Cup. So tutok lamang, my name is Rick Puerta, only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.